Hey guys, today I'm making lasagna soup for the first time. So I had some ground beef here, so that's what I use. Normally I'm making these stuff with turkey, but I only wanted ground beef for this. I chopped up some veggie because I wanted this to be filling a bit. So I had some celery, carrots, and onions here. I only use half of an onion here, but you can use all one onion if you want. So after draining my ground beef, I went ahead and add my veggies in there just to allow them to cook for a little bit. I didn't cook it all the way through because I still wanted it to have some crunchiness to it. So yes guys, so add some veggie to your lasagna soup. It will definitely make a difference. So I combined all of that in there, and then I went in with some tomato paste. I had a little left, so I put that in there with some diced tomatoes. I didn't use tomato sauce because I didn't want it to be like mushy, so I went ahead with those diced tomatoes. This is all the seasonings I used here, so just season to your liking. I also went in with a tablespoon of sugar just to cut the harshness of those tomatoes. I only had chicken broth, so that's what I use, guys. Trust me, it comes out the same. It tastes great. So use chicken broth if you don't have any beef broth. So here I have half and half, and once again you can make this with whipping cream or heavy cream. So this is what I have, so that's what I'm using, the half and half. I went in with some cheese here. I had cheddar and some parmesan, and I think I put about half cup in here and just mix it and allow that to melt. And I went in with my pasta. I allowed this to simmer for about 20 or 30 minutes. So while that was going, I made my ricotta cheese mix. Here I use about half of this ricotta cheese. And then I went in with some sour cream and just mixed it together. I wanted it to have some greenery, so I also put in some cilantro that I had, and I didn't put too much because I didn't want it to be a lot. I also seasoned this, guys. I love to season my stuff, so I use a little garlic powder and black pepper and just mix this all together. So after about 20-30 minutes, this is how it's looking, and I didn't cook it for too long. I added the rest of that cheese in there and allowed it to melt. And then guys, this was smelling so good. Alright guys, so here is my little soup. It looks so good. I'm gonna put some ricotta in it, so let's top it and then taste it. So this is the soup, guys. It looks so good. This is my ricotta little mix, and I'm just gonna take a spoonful and just plop right on top there, and then that should do it. So we're gonna take a taste, but before I need to take a picture, y'all. All right, taste time. We got a little of everything. Oh wow, guys, it really tastes good. And I'm glad that I put like the veggies in there, like the carrot and the celery, because it kind of made it like filling.